Hello, Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers. Today I am going to show you how to make two lovebirds and a heart. Two balloons. One a red balloon and another a white balloon. With the red balloon, you're going to blow it all the way up except for just about ½ inch. Burp the balloon, let a little air out, tie it, and then take the ends and tie them together nice and tight. All right, then what you want to do is get the center right about there, put a hand on each side, press it down towards the knotted area into a heart, squeeze it and pull it. And then just go ahead and squeeze it. What you're doing is shaping it into a heart. You're going to squeeze that where it comes together, and then you're going to pop that center. And that will shape it into a heart. Then you're going to take the white balloon and blow it all the way up, except for about an inch. Burp the balloon, tie a knot in it. Then you're going to take about 4 fingers, maybe 5. That'll be the tail of one of the birds. And again, about 4 fingers. With that bubble that you just made, you'll want to match it up. Squeeze that together and twist. And again, you'll do the same thing. Those are going to be the wings. This will be the body. So just match it up, twist it, and push it through, just like that. There's the wings, the body, and the tail. And now you're going to make a head, which is just about an inch bubble, about 5-6 turns. And make another head, because now you're going to make the other bird from the head out. Again, 4 inches. Bend it, twist it. Don't worry if the heads unravel. You could twist them together, because basically the air is already going to allow you to do that because it's already been done. Make that body and push it in through the wings. So you should have that, which will be 2 birds when you twist the heads about 6 turns. Then what you want to do is match the tails up and twist both bodies just like that. There you have the 2 lovebirds in the heart. You're going to take the lovebird tails, take one of those tails and just flip it right around, right where it joins. And there you have 2 lovebirds and a heart. And if you want to add some eyes, take a little Sharpie and go ahead and put your eyes, maybe some eyelashes. I'm not going to put eyelashes on that because that'll be the boy bird. And just go ahead and do a little bit of for the wings. And you can do the same on the tail. And there you have the 2 lovebirds and a heart. The like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers. Here's the lovebirds and a heart from another angle. You're gonna take those 2 ends, go ahead and make a knot. Find the center. Shape it into a heart, just like that. Squeeze up here, right there, squeeze that, and pop that. And again, squeeze it and pop it. You're shaping it. And sometimes that happens. Tie a knot in it. Take the center, shape it into a heart, squeeze up here, pull this, squeeze it, stretch it, pull it, squeeze it, pull it, squeeze it, stretch it, pull it, squeeze it, stretch it. And there you have what resembles a heart. For the lovebirds, about a hand's width for the tail. 4 fingers for the wing. Take the wing, twist it around, and then measure it for the third, making the body and pushing the body through the 2 wings. Now for the head, an inch knot, an inch ball, and now you're making the other bird, starting with the head. About 4 fingers for the body, 4 fingers, twist it again, measure it up, and again push it right in through there. And there's your 2 lovebirds. Twisting the head about 6-7 times. Join the tails and twist both birds. And there you have your 2 lovebirds. Put it in the heart by taking that tail, scoot it into the bottom of that heart, and wrap that tail right around, just like that. 2 lovebirds in a heart. And again, you'll take your Sharpie, just for a little added feature. Go ahead and put your eyes. And a little mark for the wings. And even for the tail. There you have your 2 lovebirds in a heart. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers. Bye-bye.